watching Kayladeebookings, Caribbean Queen. Kayladeebookings, Caribbean Queen. Beauty, fashion, everything real me. You're watching Kayladeebookings, Caribbean Queen. Kayladeebookings, Caribbean Queen. Beauty.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you are new over here, welcome. My name is Kayla. For today's video, I am going to be doing a 90s get ready with me type of vibe. This hair is definitely giving throwback. I'm also going to show you guys the makeup. The wig that I'm installing today is from a company called Panala hair. Now I did get their short bob unit with side bangs, and with your wig you get some wig caps. They also send you a edge brush and also some clips, a melt band, and a rat tail comb. So this is what the lace is looking like on your unit. Also, the lace itself is placed like on the side. You know, usually your wig comes, the lace is placed in the center of your wig. With this one, the lace is placed on the side to give you that side swoop. The wig itself does come with combs on the inside and also an elastic band in the back, and it does have the jaw straps as well. To start, I'm just going in with my lace tint, and I'm just tinting this lace. I'm spraying it all over the lace because I want it to really blend with my skin tone. Now I'm just trying on my wig, making sure that it fits my head correctly. And as you guys can see, at first I did place it in the center of my head. So like where the lace area is, I had placed it as if I was like putting on one of my regular wigs. But with this wig, like I said, you have to position the lace on the side of your head. That is how they made this wig to be worn. And yeah, once I figured it out, everything was smooth and dandy. Because at first I was really wondering, like, why was it looking so funny? After that, I basically just went in with my hot comb, flattened down the hair, then I pressed out the hair.
Remember that last time I made you miss your damn plane. Remember that last time I wet you down with champagne. Remember that? And I know I've been the worst, but I love you better if you let me. Let's catch a flight, change the weather, and I promise forever.
Getting up to like the front areas where the bang's supposed to be, I kind of like just took my flat iron and did like little swoops. It was really long, so I did want like a short side bang, so I just took my razors and kept going in and chopping the hair up till it was basically short enough and like to like my eye. I would say I did basically cut it to like where my eyes were, and then I just took my flat iron and bumped the hair. Now that is looking real good. The swoop looks very good, and I think I basically went back in and cut it some more, and after that was it. So initially I started recording this video at night, and then I don't know why, for some strange reason I got so tired after installing this hair. I'm just like, you know what, I'll wake up in the next morning and do my makeup and all that. I basically just left it for the next morning. So this is basically what the wig was looking like once I was done styling it for the night. Now let's move on to makeup. For the makeup look, we're going for a very soft and simple beat. In the 90s, we were not doing like the crazy highlights and contour and all of that. So the makeup look itself was more towards like a soft and clean, fresh face type of look. Very soft, very subtle. With this look, there was no wing liners, there was no dramatic highlights under my eyes. As you guys can see, it's definitely not like my usual type of makeup look. And I'm not going to talk you guys through the makeup. I just want you guys to watch and enjoy. And I will be back towards the end of this video just to give you guys an update and my 2 cents.
If I ever made you angry, girl, just know that it get better.
Best kept secret.
They say time is. She can't see her life without me. She's so blasted. Fuck that nigga, you can tell him that you lost it. And she don't wanna go to sleep, she angry. Lately she been noticing he ain't me. I wish that we can change places. Don't want no voodoo fantasy. She got my heartbeat racing. They say time is. Don't go live no life without me, cause you lost this. And I don't wanna go unless you make me.
Pretty face, pretty tempting. But pretty taught me ugly lessons. Pretty had me giving more than I was getting. So pretty don't come with something more than I did it. Shame to tell my friends how much I do for you, cause they know that you would never do the same for me. I wasn't looking for your secrets, they just came to me. And they contradicted everything you claim to be. I took you to the club and you hugged on somebody that I know. And I know them type of hugs. Same shit I do to women when I know I used to fuck. And I know they with they niggas, but they never brought it up. I'm down these days, down to do better, cause you know I done enough. You should lay it down, we'll talk about it when you up. She don't wanna go to sleep, she ain't.
I wish that we can change places. Don't want no voodoo fantasy. She got my heartbeat racing. They say time is. Don't go live no life without me, cause you lost this. And I don't wanna go unless you make me. Down on my knees on me, telling me. They say time. Better tell that nigga you mine. Heard you been trying to tie the knot. Girl, tell me you lied. Let me be that pussy one more time. Let me be that pussy one more time. I know that you feel for it. I know that you did not forget. So don't go to sleep. And she don't wanna go to sleep, she angry. I wish that we can change places. Don't want no voodoo fantasy. She got my heartbeat racing. They say time is. Don't go build no life without me, cause you lost this. And I don't wanna go unless you make me. Lately I've been gone, I'm feeling crazy. Yeah, I'm from the bricks, we got a whole lot of bricks, you got a whole lot of tricks, and I wanna see what you do. They say time. I'm from the bricks, we got a whole lot of bricks, you got a whole lot of tricks, and I wanna see what you do. They say time. I'm from the bricks, we got a whole lot of bricks, you got a whole lot of tricks, and I wanna see what you do.
Picture on my mirror, start to blush when somebody says your name. In my stomach there's a pain. You walk in my direction, I go the other way. I start to stutter when I speak, trying to stand but my knees go weak. What's happening to me? In the dark, can you tell me what it means? I lay my head on my pillow, staring out the window, trying to stop for a sign. It's the reason why you always on my mind. Yeah. You come around like it's baby, when I see you, when I see you, baby, when I never know when you might walk by. So I gotta be right when I see you, when I see you. I scribble X and O's in my notebook, checking how my hair and my nails look. I feel myself in the zone. When you're nervous when you're gone, I say I'm not home. See your face and I hear my favorite song. Should I send an email at home? You're the number one topic on the phone. I wonder if you know, or do you have a clue? Yeah. I lay my head on my pillow, and you got me staring out the window. We were showing stars outside. What's the reason why? You're always sexy boy. You're sexy boy. Hey baby, I don't wanna know. Baby, when something now is taking over me. Yeah. I'm not gonna run now.
we're back to the wig. So as you guys can see, I just put it on my head after bumping it last night, and here I'm just doing like my little touch-ups, going back over it with the iron, and we're just gonna bump the front once more. I also did go in with my razor and cut some more hair off. I just did not show that in camera, but I did have to cut some more hair because the bangs was just like, I don't know, I feel like the more I cut, it was just not getting short, so I kept having to cut and cut and cut. I did a lot of cutting, you guys. But yeah, this was pretty much how it turned out. The hair was actually really soft. Personally, I'm not a short hair type of girl. Like, this bob was just a little too short for me. I don't know, I don't like short hair like that. It just does not fit my face. It makes my face look fat. But the hair itself on the wig was really soft and silky. It had like a nice soft touch to it, so I did like that. Yeah, this is pretty much the ending of this video. Comment down below and let me know how you guys feeling the overall look. Like, what do you guys think about it? I will have all the products links down below for you guys. Yeah, the link to the hair will be down below as well if you guys are interested in this unit. And comment down below, let me know what you guys think. Other than that, I will catch you guys in my next one. Do not forget to hit that subscribe button if you're not subscribed already to my channel. That way you will not miss any of my uploads. Bye.